Hi guys, Kevin here. So usually I do motivational videos. Sorry, let's put this light on here. Um, there we go. So usually I do motivational videos. Today I'm trying something new. Somehow I got to get some viewers so I can spread my messages. So I'll attract you guys doing other stuff. So here I'm gonna unbox my new microphone that I got from Amazon. And I'll show you guys how it is. So this is what it came from. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay. So it was on a sale as well. It's regular $40 and I got it for $22. I was gonna wait till Black Friday to pick it up, but hopefully I'll show you. So there's nothing inside the box except for this. So hopefully it's safe. The box is kind of hard, so it should be pretty good. Do you guys see everything? Let's put the camera down a little bit so you guys can actually see. Okay, so open it up. So inside, what we get is we get how to assemble the microphone, the user book. Oh, and here we go. So we got a stand for it. So a stand. I'm guessing the stand like that. We open it. We have the actual microphone. That's kind of cool. There's volume and echo and an on and off. Where am I? Where's the camera? There we go. So volume, echo, and an on-off switch. Oh, it's blue. Oh, this works with batteries. No. Oh, there's a microphone in here. I mean, not a microphone, a battery pack. We got this little box here as well. Let's open this up. Oh, so inside we have a cord. I think I saw a cord already. Oh, what's this? I don't know what this is. Another cord. And there is a charger cable, a micro USB. So we got that as well, and we got what is this, like a, oh, I guess you connect it to, so it's a micro USB and then a microphone cable. So I don't know what that's for, it's kind of weird. And we have this thing, I guess, to hold this piece on, which is like the muffler. What is that? What do you call it? So sound through it. Okay, so let's see if we can put this together. Let's read the manual a little bit fast for you, so it doesn't take too long on this video. Earphone. Oh, you plug in your earphone as well. Okay, so what do we do? I don't know what to do. Audio cable, on off, splitter cable. Maybe I should have read this before I did the video. Okay, so it should be pretty straightforward. Except to set it up seems kind of weird. It doesn't actually show you how to set it up. Okay, so I'm guessing this goes inside here. Let's loosen this up, put this through, and this through. So how do you think this works? Oh, where is the picture of it? This is so weird. Okay, so I'm confused on what to do with this thing. Sorry guys, I should have, oh, here we go. How to assemble this. It's okay, so there's a how to assemble. Install, oh, okay, so almost there. So we put this into this, we screw it on. Oh, okay, so it's like a screw inside this thing, so we spin it around and tighten it a little bit. So we do that. Mount the metal stick through the holes on the top of the stand. Oh, so this is the top. So we put that as well inside there. No, I didn't break it. It's okay. So we're putting that inside there. Okay, we turn around, tighten the screws, and fix the metal stick. And completion drying. Oh yeah, so I think it just sticks in there. So we just stick that in there, like that. And we stick the microphone like that, like so, like that. Is that how it is? Okay, so let's set up this thing a little different. Sorry. Okay, so no, not seeing me. Okay, here we go. Okay, so, oh, look at that. Kind of look a little professional. So let's see how this sounds now. So let's plug it in at the same time. Hopefully this reaches. Headphones, we don't want to put in the headphone spot. So I'll plug this in here. So guys, just 1 second. Let's plug this in. The volume up. Okay, so the volume's all the way up now. So now it should be okay to go. So hopefully this is our new setup for our new YouTube studio. Sorry, let me just fix this a little bit. Okay, there we go. Boom. So guys, hopefully you guys are listening. Hopefully I don't have to speak in the microphone. Let's test this out. So we'll go inside here and talk a little bit, and then we'll talk normal like I'm sitting here talking, and we'll see what is the best way. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this opening. I will put the link down below of where to buy this on Amazon, and thank you for watching. Guys, have a good day. Okay, bye.